Good morning, y'all. It is a beautiful, well, not so beautiful day today because it is gloomy and I think it's gonna rain. Today I'm gonna be doing a glow up, big fat glow up. I'm feeling a little bit, look at me. I just feel like doing a little glow up, you know, just changing my appearance a bit. So, as you guys can see, I'm looking a little bit crusty. I haven't showered for 2 days. So I need to shower, but first we're gonna have breakfast. Oh my god, 11:11, make a wish. Okay guys, so for breakfast I'm gonna be having my matcha latte. That's like a good sweet. For my breakfast I'm gonna have these 2 pieces of bread, toast, and with some Philadelphia and salmon. It's salmon, Philadelphia, and I'm gonna have salmon on top. So it's double salmon. This is a huge salmon. That's a good piece. I'm gonna just use it sparingly. Okay, there we go. There's my matcha latte and salmon toast. It's a very like it girl breakfast, I would say. The matcha and salmon toast. Cheers. I've only got a little bit of my matcha left, so we are gonna finish that. Okay, this is not part of the glow up. This matcha tastes like it has the color of matcha and it looks like a matcha, but it doesn't taste that strong. It tastes very like grassy. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna brush my hair because as you guys can see, it's very wild when I wake up. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be bothered to wash my hair because it's kind of like, it's in between greasy but clean. Do I wash my hair? I don't know. For the outfit, I'm thinking my nice like wide leg jeans, which they have a stain on them somewhere, but we ignore that. I bought this new top from Uniqlo, so I'm gonna wear that. I still want to be like cozy, like comfortable because I'm at home. I'm just gonna wear this cardigan. Okay y'all, I'm out of the shower now. Here's the outfit for today. Ta-da! I really love this top. It's from Uniqlo, it's the Airism t-shirt, and yeah, it's actually really nice. It's very comfy. And I'm also gonna put my cardigan on. Do the colors go together? Not really. But I feel very comfortable and good in this, so that's all that matters. I had my shower, I washed my face. I feel very comfortable and fresh now. And now I'm gonna do a face mask. So the face mask that I'm gonna be using is the BB Seaweed from Lush, and this was a sample that I got from work. It does smell really nice. I like this one. Ooh, that's actually really nice. It's very cooling. Okay, nice. Now we just wait 10 minutes or so. Meanwhile, I'm probably just gonna tidy up my room. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna take the face mask off and we shall see if I will feel more refreshed. I just took the face mask off and I actually feel a lot more fresh and my face feels a lot smoother now. So I guess it did work. Okay, so now that I have taken off the face mask, I can moisturize my face. I'm gonna use this simple moisturizer and just pat it on. I think what's really nice about skincare though is that it's time to it's just self-care. It's really nice to just sit here and like massage my face for a bit, even though I do it very quickly usually, but I'm gonna do it very gently and calmly. I'm gonna use this Body Shop Vitamin E skin cooling gel mist. So I'm gonna spray this. I don't really like spraying it, but that was not satisfying. As you guys can see, it's not the most satisfying thing to spray. This is part of the glow up. I think my skin does need a bit more extra moisture because I don't really look after it that much, so I think this is what I needed. Now that I've done my face and we're all clean, I've moisturized, I've put deodorant on, I've done my skincare, I think I'm gonna do my hair next. Like I said, I didn't wash it because it's still got like one more day it can go, you know, and it's still pretty voluminous. First of all, I'm gonna put on some jewelry. So I'm gonna take out these earrings. Ow. Okay, the jewelry that I'm gonna put on now are these hoops. I just got these from work and let's try them. I shouldn't have slept with the other earrings in. Oh crap. Is it bleeding? It's fine, it's not bleeding. I think it's just like bruised. I'm just gonna do it, put them in anyway, even though I should probably leave it, but you know, that's not part of the glow up. Okay, it's in. The earrings are in. Ooh, look at that. Already looking good, feeling good. Okay, please. Ow. 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 Okay, done. Earrings are in. Ooh, these look good. I think these go with my outfit today. And then for my necklace, I think I'm gonna wear this one. Nice little sparkly one that I got as a gift from my cousin. Ow. Okay, jewelry done. Okay, so usually people like dye their hair when they do a glow up or do some like haircut or whatever, but since I'm doing this on a budget with what I already have, I'm not gonna be dyeing my hair. I mean, that would have been cool, but I like my natural hair, so I'm just gonna style it. I'm gonna start off with just brushing my hair, which you already did, but after the shower it got a bit crazy again. Okay, so it is a little bit greasy at the top, but that's fine. But I want to actually style my hair because I never style my hair ever. So I've got my straighteners here and I'm going to plug it in and put it on. Whilst that's heating up, I'm going to put some heat protectant spray in my hair. So strong. Oh, I actually forgot how you do like waves. Let's just try. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, wait, no, I actually forgot. Is it like, oh my god. Oh shoot, I don't know. Oh my god. That should be long enough, right? Oh, okay. Okay. Actually, never mind. That did nothing. I'm not gonna comb my hair anymore because I have no idea how to do it. So we're just gonna straighten it. Okay, I think we're good. Should I do some like cool hairstyle? I don't know. I can do a half up, half down. This is so difficult. And then it's just like that, right? So as you guys can see, hair is not my expertise. You know what? We're just gonna keep it like this for now. I think it's pretty good. Let's just go and do our makeup now. So now we're gonna tackle the face. I have to first start off with the eyebrows because I have not fixed my eyebrows in a while. I mean, they look pretty good right now, I think. I like my eyebrows very natural, so I don't really do much to them. If you guys can see, it's a little bit grown out. Yeah, that's not looking too good. Okay, I've got my spoolie and I'm just gonna brush it out. Okay, I'm gonna just use eyebrow razor. I'm just gonna start with some concealer. Now I'm just gonna take some powder. So far we've just done a physical glow up. It's nice to feel a little bit different, I would say. And just play around with your appearance. I think it's always fun. Now, okay, now I'm gonna go with some bronzer. I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna use some blush. Now I'm just gonna do some eyeshadow. Let's do this sparkly shade all over the eye. I'm just gonna do makeup that I feel comfortable in. I'm not gonna do anything crazy because still at the end of the day I want to just feel comfortable and like myself and do makeup that feels right for me. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, you know? Ooh, that's pretty nice. I'm gonna feel good and look good today, so that's what matters. And now for the eyeliner. Should I use liquid eyeliner or just pencil and like smudge it? You know what, I don't feel comfortable in liquid eyeliner, so I'm gonna go with this one, the pencil. Oh my god, why is this so much effort to look good? Now I'm just gonna put a bit of mascara on. I feel like lashes would have been really fun, but I cannot do that. I don't know how to do lashes. Finally, lips. I'm just gonna put some lip balm on. And now finally I'm gonna put this sleek lip shot gloss thing. I also never really wear lip products because it just comes off after you eat or drink something anyway. There we go. Ooh, okay. Okay, look at me. I feel very like grown up right now, which is also kind of the point of this video. I don't want to look like a child. I want to look like a 22-year-old that has their stuff together and, you know, knows what they're doing with their life, is confident, wears what they want, looks how they want. What? So that's what we're going for today. And I'm probably going to take some pictures now because this is the only time where I'm looking and feeling good. Okay guys, so it is actually now like 2 p.m. Pretty late, but that's because the clock has gone forward, so it would actually be 1 o'clock right now. However, it is 2 and I should probably eat dinner soon. Dinner? I should probably eat lunch soon. First, because we have to do a mental glow up and get ourselves sorted out, I'm going to do some journaling, or not journaling, but just kind of writing down everything that I need to do. So we're gonna write down some affirmations, because affirmations I don't really write usually, but you know, I feel like it actually is a good practice, because if you believe in something and tell yourself positive things every day, I do believe that that helps you to have a stronger mindset and, you know, believe in yourself more. We are going to write some affirmations. My affirmations for today are: I am creative, I am one of a kind, I am fabulous, I can do it, and then it's like, I am strong and powerful, and today will be a good day. I don't know if those affirmations are good, but that's just what came in my mind, and I believe that I am all of those things and that every day will be a good day. So yeah, now I'm just gonna have lunch and then get on with work and actually finish my tasks that I need to do, because I think that's also part of a glow up, is to actually just finish things that need to get done. Ooh, I've almost got it. I've almost got it. I've almost. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all for today. I did manage to get some stuff done. I updated my CV and I'm now editing some of my video. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed watching. Thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you guys subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Bye.